Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are trying out all of the Sephora holiday makeup that I purchased in my last haul. You definitely don't want to miss out on the two lip combos that I share with you. This one is at the very end, so you have to watch the very end to see what this lip product is because it is the perfect holiday red. If you'd like to see how I created this really glowy, fun holiday makeup look, then just keep watching. I'm excited to film this video. Okay, let's put on the Milk Primer out of the set that I shared with you guys. This is the primer that I wore on my wedding day. So nice and hydrating, but yet is a gripping primer, so it really helps to grip the makeup. And then I'm going to go over that with the Say Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. So this is a really beautiful shade, and I think it'll be pretty underneath a more matte foundation. I'm going to use the Beauty Blender that came in the bestseller set and my favorite foundation, the Power Fabric. I'm in shade 5.5. Okay, now I'm excited to try the Westman Atelier from the Trio. I will link everything down below for you guys. This is the Face Trace Contour Stick in Biscuit. I wanted to try in this video the highlight stick in Lit Up. This was also from the Trio. They have darker shades, but we will see how this does on top of makeup. And the third piece of that set is the Blush in Petal. I personally would choose a different shade because I like a little more warmth, but this is a really, really nice contour shade. If you like a contour, I'm not big on contour. I like more of a bronzy look, so I think the bronzer in the other set would be better for me, but I do love the blush and highlight. It's really pretty. I think I can set the bronzer with the NARS Laguna. This is the mini that comes in the bestsellers set. Forgot how good this bronzer is, you guys. It is really, really good. So if you want to try it and a few other products that are bestsellers at Sephora, snack the set down below in the description bar. You can just click the drop down link. I will link the product and you can shop it right there. For powder blush, I have the two new shades of the Clinique Cheek Pop Pearl. And this is Topaz Pop and Ruby Pop. This is Ruby Pop. And this is Topaz Pop. I think for this video, I am gonna go in with the Topaz Pop with the same brush as I used for the bronzer. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. The perfect blush. If you love blush, but you don't want it to be too bright, but you also have a tan. Let's do lips because I wanna try two different lip combos. I'm going to use out of that Trio from Armani these two shades today. So for lip liner, I'm also going to use the Pat McGrath that came in the little Trio. This is in the shade Divine Rose. I love this formula of lip liner. I wore it the other day. It's really beautiful, but this is a little bit too pink for me. I'm not much of a bright pink kind of girl, but I thought it would go pretty with the Lip Maestro in 103. This is a gorgeous muted nude, and these are beautiful. They feel so good. They feel like silk on your lips, and they're not thick and goopy. They're very thin, and that is the shade 103. I'm gonna wear that while I'm getting ready, see how it looks in a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna try a holiday red. For brows, the bestseller set came with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is just a mini version. This is one of Lisa's favorite products. So you put it on with the back of this spoolie, and then you can comb it with the side to keep them in place. Now, I don't necessarily have unruly brows, but I do have a bold brow. So I will say this is not as good as, I don't like a goopy brow. My Merit mascara that I use for my brows, the brow mascara, it's tinted. It's not quite as stiff as that one, and it gives me just a really beautiful fluffy brow without being crunchy or goopy. I don't like feeling like I have something on my brows, so I think I will just stick to the Merit Brow, I forget what it's called, volumizing pomade. I think the star of the show is going to be this Natasha Denona Mini Viva palette. This is in the shades Monroe, Elle, and Cocoa. Really gorgeous eyeshadow palette that comes in that little set I will link down below. I want to use the middle shade in Elle, fitting, right, with a 217, and go and see how pigmented this is. This is the perfect little everyday trio to keep in your purse, gym bag, travel makeup bag. It's worth getting for sure, just for this and a few of the other products. This is my first time using Natasha Denona eyeshadows, and I would say these blend out beautifully, and they still give you color. Like when you blend it out, it doesn't just blend away to nothing. Now for the outer corner, I'm going in with Monroe on the outer edge and just see if we can deepen this up a little bit. I'm going to take that same shade underneath the lash line. Those shades are so easy to use. Let's try out the, sorry, did I say that shade was Monroe? That shade was Cocoa. The first shade was Elle, and then now let's use Monroe. Just going in with a dry BK Beauty brush, and we'll see what it looks like with one swipe. Gorgeous. Very happy with this. I'm gonna try out the Say mascara. I know I'm saying that right. If I'm not, can you leave it down below? I don't want to sound silly. I'm gonna test out their mascara. I think they are a clean brand. So just curling my lashes, and we will see without any fake eyelashes yet what this looks like. Pretty waxy formula, I would say. And I'm not crazy about the stiff, prickly brush, kind of like the They're Real mascara, I would say, but maybe a clean version. It's not giving me a ton of lift. I will let you know and update you down below in the description bar if this runs on me, because I have a bad problem with mascaras running to underneath my lash line. So I will let you know, but I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I will be right back. While my lashes are drying, I want to take this lip off and do the red lip. This is the Armani Lip Maestro in 415. Perfect holiday red, I think. That is the finished look. You will have to let me know, what do you think about this red lip for the holidays? I'm loving it. I think it really makes my teeth look white. I may look back in the camera and say, I don't know about that after I watch this footage, but I really love this makeup. The only thing that I did not like is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's just not for me. I'm sure it would be great for somebody with unruly brows, and use it after you do your eye makeup. Love, love, love these lip products. These are so good. The lip liner is in the wrong shade for me. The blush, major thumbs up. This trio, major thumbs up. The Natasha Denona eyeshadow is a yes, yes, yes. Will be purchasing more during the sale. Lots of good stuff here. I will link everything down below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like Sephora videos and trying new makeup. My favorite videos to watch, definitely, so be sure you subscribe before you leave to get more of those, and my recommendations list for the Sephora holiday sale. You do not want to miss out on future videos, so be sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!